Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. My apologies for last week. I wasn't expecting to have worked all weekend, but I just never got to a video. And then I ended up working 2 15-hour days on Monday, Tuesday, so I just didn't have time. So I've been making Schnitzel, which I've never made before, so I'm hoping I'm making it right from memory. I believe it's pork. So I got some, what is this? Pork cube steak. I'm going to be coating it in flour, egg wash, panko, and then frying it in cast iron. I've got some, well, my vegetable is going to be Brussels sprouts, which I've already got in the oven. And I'm just going to do some rice. I couldn't think of anything else, so I said, well, I got pounds and literally pounds and pounds of rice, so I'm going to do rice. So it's already hitting a minute. Right, so I'm using a saucepan for the rice. Got the timer going on it. Boil it for 12 minutes. Turn off the heat. Move it to this burner that's cursed and it's off. I even took the knob off so I'm not forgetting to turn it on. Got my pan ready. Then I got my panko, flour, and egg wash here, ready to rock and roll. So I already got everything set, and when it hits, so as soon as the rice is done boiling, I'll be at 10 minutes, and I'll come back and we'll bring it back. Well, unfortunately, I've already made a tremendous mistake. I forgot the lemon. Alright, let us crack on. Trying to pork and egg wash. So flour, egg wash, and panko. Looks like I got too much yeah, pork's kind of falling apart on me. I forgot to flip the view screens. Hopefully you guys can see this okay. Oh, those are frying along nicely. I want to turn them for even cooking. Sweet. I'm cooking them basically in bacon fat. Alright, the vegetables should be done. Did some simple Brussels sprouts, which, to be honest with you, I never thought in a million years I would like Brussels sprouts. But then my buddy made some one night, and I just tried one, and I was like, holy moly, those are like really good. So I ended up going back for seconds on the vegetable. Ooh. This one has a really nice color. This one is a little lacking on the color, but that's alright. I'll just scoot that one back a bit. I move this one up in front. Yeah. Very good coloration on these. This one. So this back one's actually done. So I'll go ahead and plate this one up. I got my rice here. Make sure I give it a good fluffing. I actually love rice. Got my vegetable here. That's some better color. Alrighty, there we go. Try the rice. Nailed it again. Try that schnitzel without the lemon. That's really good. Oh yeah, really tasty. So I'll try a Brussels sprout. Alright, we'll sit down and eat. Alright, well, the plate's in the sink. I just threw it in there without thinking. That was really good. I enjoyed that quite a bit. I can see what they mean by the schnitzel needing lemon. The lemon would have been really good on there. Maybe next time we'll do that. Anyway, everything for Cast Iron Wednesday will be in the description and also the end cards. I do appreciate watching. Have a good one. I'll catch you next week.